We have the Ripple people, which we're going to hear from in just a moment. We have Fidelity, who've been a long-time supporter of blockchain research and stuff in Ireland. We have Brain Station, and then I want to thank Brain Station 23, who came to us from Bangladesh.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am MD Islam, lead blockchain engineer of Brain Station, and we are from Bangladesh. Lead blockchain engineer of Brain Station 23, and today I will be presenting you the unlocking DeFi literacy, understanding NFT marketplace microstructure in the decentralized finance landscape. And my co-authors are Shampoo Sikdar, Mashiad Amin Farin, Tahlil, and Tahmid. And special thanks to Mashiad Amin for preparing this slide for me. Let's continue.
That never could be broke. Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. How you ever gonna know if you never even try? Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame. Ooh, and the world's gonna know your name. Ooh, cause you burn with the brightest flame. Ooh, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion, be a champion, be a champion, be a champion.
Thank you. All right, thank you.
The program, we hope certainly from a social point of view, people will mix a little bit. And if there's sessions you want to go to, maybe you can approach the Blockchain Ireland people. And certainly they are very welcome to come to the ICBC events if they need a little bit of academic rigor. A soft start with some short papers and some tutorials. And you're all welcome, you're all registered. I guess there's a number of people here who've just arrived. Thank you. So this reception is sponsored by Ripple. So Ripple is I want to, Lauren is here from Ripple, and she just wants to say a few words of welcome.
Yeah, just welcome. It's so great to see so many people turn out to this, and we just love the intersection of an academic conference with an industry conference, all on a university campus, with a hackathon that's going to end the weekend next week with all the developers. So it's very cool. Drink up, eat up, and come say hello if you're interested in Ripple.
So enjoy your evening, and I think we have extra drinks tokens if people need more on